How to change name on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your name on Instagram. Well, actually the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram application. You should get a face like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen on your profile, and here you should be headed into your profile. Now in my case here you can see I'm on my profile, and on your profile you'll find the option that says edit profile. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and here tap on not now here, and you can see the name option there. You can see my name, you can see username. If you want to change your username, you want to simply tap on username and you will be able to change it. Similarly, if you want to change your name, you want to simply tap on name, and here you can see I'll be able to edit my name, delete the previous one, and then type in the new username here. And once you type in, sorry, not username, just your name, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen, and once you do so your name will be changed. You can see my name has been changed, and then again tap on tick mark at the top right corner. So this is the way you can change your name on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.